Polymorphism. Polymorphism discovered from two Greek words. First one is poly, which means many, and second one is morph, which means form. So polymorphism is defined as the ability of a message to be displayed in many form, or or the ability of a message to display in more than one form. Polymorphism allow us to perform a single action in different ways. It allows us to perform a single action in different ways. For example, a man at same time is a father, a brother, a son, an employee. A man at same time is a younger brother or elder brother. This is polymorphism. Polymorphism allows us to perform single action in different ways. Polymorphism allow us to define interface. Polymorphism allow us to define a interface and have many implementation. Many implementation. There are two type of polymorphism. First one is a static polymorphism, and second one is dynamic polymorphism. A static is also known as compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism. Dynamic is known as runtime polymorphism. Can also say that runtime polymorphism. A static polymorphism we can achieve through overloading, and dynamic polymorphism we can achieve through overriding. So polymorphism are made up of two Greek words. First, poly, which means many, and second one is morph, which means form. Polymorphism is defined as the ability of a message to be displayed in many forms or to be displayed in more than one form is known as polymorphism. Polymorphism allow us to perform a single action in different ways. What does it means? So I show you example on that. This there is a class animal. There are three classes. First one is animal, second class is pig, and third class is dog. And in all the classes, the function name are same. Animal sound, animal sound, animal sound. Bees, I say that a single operation can be done in different ways. So this animal have own function, but this pig has not own function. It's overridden. It's overridden from where animal sound. Animal from animal class. Why? Because this pig class extend animal. Okay. Here also overridden. All the three class have animal sound. But this animal sound and this animal sound are overridden of animal class. Means pig has no own animal sound. It is extended through what animal? It has not own. This will inheritant from animal. Like this is parent class, this is child class. This animal sound is inherit from animal. So when I create animal object and when I create pig object and when I create dog object, then it will behave in uh, different in all three cases. Like first time when I say animal sound, single function, a single action is done in different ways. I am doing a single action, animal sound. This will make a sound, animal sound. The pig say pig sound. The dog say dog sound. Second time I also call animal sound, then it will print pig say. Why it not print the animal make a sound here? Why print this? Why print this? Because it is overridden. This is polymorphism. A single operation can be done in many forms. If it has not extended this, then it has on function. This function and this function are very separately from each other. These animals on and these animals are not related to any anymore, but having this extend keyword, this animal sound is override. If I didn't write override, if I didn't override this, then it will print same thing. You can see that it will print same thing. The animal make a sound. The animal make a sound. If here also, if I didn't override, then it will print same thing. The animal make a sound. All the time it will print the animal sound. If I override this, then it will print its own version, its own sound, and pig also sound print its own sound. Pig say pig sound, dogs say dog sound. So this polymorphism be achieved through overriding, and the overriding polymorphism is known as runtime polymorphism. Now see about overloaded, like same function name, function name are same. This is called overloaded. If you don't know about overloaded, I create a video on overload and override. You can see there. If I override this and I call this my animal dot animal sound and I pass parameter, then it will print what? It will print value A. I will print a value A. Then now see, this is compile time polymorphism or a static polymorphism. This is animal make a sound. This is also a compile time polymorphism. This is a runtime polymorphism because at runtime it decide which animal sound we have to call. This also we can say that a runtime polymorphism because at runtime it will decide which one I have to call. Like this animal sound or this animal sound. Because at runtime it will create animal object. It will create pig object. It will create new dog object. So dog object created, so dog animal sound will be print. This is a static polymorphism or compile time polymorphism. That's it about polymorphism.